Ready for immediate move-in. This brand new home located in the heart of Poinciana is a spacious retreat located on a corner lot. This LGI home is the Bimini floor plan with an open concept that is great for entertaining and boasts granite countertops with a kitchen island, Whirlpool appliances, spacious walk-in closet, separate laundry and a 2-car garage. The open kitchen features 36 upper wood cabinets with crown molding, Moen faucets and the stainless steel appliances. The home includes a sizable primary room retreat. The community of Poinciana includes amenity-packed parks, sports courts, multiple playgrounds, conservation areas and amusement parks.